Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, what a week we've had for Bitcoin. As we can see today, Bitcoin back up to $41,495, getting a massive pump towards the upside. As we can see, the daily candles right now on the DBS side looking very good, 16 and a -5 right there. So, and on top of that, we got a reversal triangle, so very good, looking pretty good right now. Money flow starting to come back on the 12-hour time frame, daily time frame looking quite good as well. You can see the money flow in the red is starting to curve back up towards the upside. VWAP is a little bit extended right now, but you know, for the time being, looks like things are looking pretty good. But once again, I want to reiterate, on a weekly time frame, money flow looks very weak at right now, and we can see, you know, we do have the momentum waves starting to curl back up. This is looking a little bit bullish. You know, we can come back up, maybe even as high as 48 to 47, 46 to $48,000. We can even pump all the way as high as there. But definitely take into account that the money flow is decreasing for Bitcoin. So, and you know, on the bigger picture, we could possibly expect some more downside. We definitely, you know, we could still get a pump towards the upside, but ultimately monthly time frame looks quite bearish for Bitcoin. Now, what happened in the stock market this week has definitely affected Bitcoin as well. We could see that, you know, we've had crazy earnings report, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, everything's pushing up and down, all sorts of craziness. You know, Facebook was down 25%, and it's still we'll take a look at this chart right here instead, not the devious side, not the market cipher chart. We'll take a look regular charts for these stocks. We can see Facebook down an insane amount, you know, big red candle on the three-day candles. But you know, we take a look at the daily, you can see this giant gap down. Like I said, I wasn't lying in the last video. Some people thought I was lying. It's down 26% on the week. Apple, you know, big correction and then a big reversal to the upside after earnings. And then we can see Amazon 17% up, and now we're you know, we did have a big dip the other day, and then earnings reports came in and then we jumped back up towards the upside. And then Tesla is just crazy as well. Tesla had earnings report and then they just decided to dump all the way down to the downside. So lots of volatility in the markets, guys, and the same thing for Bitcoin. We are getting lots of volatility right now. We can see we got a big green candle right now, so things are looking up. Right, but I definitely want to reiterate that, you know, we should definitely take into account what the traditional markets are doing and what, you know, all the other commodities are doing. We actually had some big numbers come in this week for the economic numbers, so we'll take a look at that quickly, remind you guys. So we got let's take a look here. I wrote them down. We can see that the non-farm payrolls actually came out to 467,000 versus 125,000 as compared to expected, so significantly higher than what it was supposed to be. And you know, when non-farm payroll is a leading indicator for, you know, if it's too hot, you know, this could lead to a lot of inflation, and which is already the case. So, you know, we already know the next CPI report is in February 10th, so we're gonna have that in 6 days. Expected to be higher, significantly higher in my opinion. Like I mean, the last report was apparently as predicted, so we'll just sit down and let the Fed do their thing. And right now we can see we're getting a perfect little rejection right here at 42,000, exactly at the top of our my resistance box right here. So if you guys want these charts, you should definitely join the Discord. I share all these charts with you guys, and you guys can definitely join them if you're gold members and take a look at them and make your trades happen. And we had that resistance coming in at 39,600. I believe Said made a good trade today, entering a little bit of a short on some lower time frames. You know, we did have a little bit of a reversal down all the way to 39,300, but he set a stop loss at break even, so he's covered there. And then we came up to 42,000, and now we're trending a little bit sideways now. Maybe we'll get a dip back down to 39,000, but if the trend continues towards the upside and we keep moving up with this nice momentum, then I can definitely see Bitcoin maybe getting even back up to a high of 47,500 before maybe coming back down. We are actually breaking some major trend lines right now on Bitcoin. We can take a look right here. What am I doing on this chart? This is the same chart. There we go. This is the BTC TA1 chart. We could see that we were hitting some major resistance right here. We had some resistance there, and previous resistance was all the way on top here as well. And now another touch point is there as well. But now we broke out, and if we come back down to maybe reconfirm this as support, and then we start to come back up, then yeah, now you can look at 48,100 as your next target possibly. So, whew. What a day. Also, Ethereum having a nice clean breakout towards the upside as well, breaking this, oops, just move my trend line. They're basically breaking this trend line and this resistance line as well, so looking quite good as well. Now if we do roll over and start to come back down to retest this as support, you can maybe come back in, maybe re-enter around 2650 or 2660, depending on where the touch point is. I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord with my charts. And right now, I'm not in any crypto trades at the moment. I'm just taking a little break from crypto, actually trading some commodities. If you guys are interested, we could see that I'm currently in an oil trade. As we could see, oil hitting some major resistance right now, some major trend lines. As we could see right here, we had some touch points here, some touch points there, and we actually ended the day underneath our white line. So perfectly, we had a wick towards the upside. In the US, they're having some supply issues in Texas with the ice roads, and I believe, I don't know if it's Russia or Ukraine, I forget which country, they're freezing their oil or something. Something's happening in overseas. I didn't really get to read about it, but I'm definitely gonna find a story and post it in the Discord for you guys, so you guys can definitely take a look at that. But this reminds me a lot of 2008, when we had that big crash. We had a huge run up in oil once again, like a big run up, and then a giant reversal down during the 2008 crash. So now we're not as high as previously, in the past, but we are getting some resistance right now, and once again a giant bearish divergence on the weekly time frame. So definitely take that into account. I'm making my trades accordingly. I have set my stop loss, but I didn't hit my stop loss today. Just a little bit of a loss. I could definitely add to my position if anything. And yeah, if we do roll over, I'm expecting to make around $5,000 to $10,000 on this trade. So you guys can definitely join me if you want in the Discord, and I'll help you guys make that trade. Anyways, guys, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades. Oh, I almost forgot. Unemployment raised 4% versus 3.9% than expected. So higher than expected. So once again, another weak indicator for the economy. Things are not as great as the Fed say. Inflation is here to stay, and gold, Bitcoin, and all these scarce assets are going to go back up. All right. Anyways, guys, I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. If you haven't already, definitely join bitcat.com. You get $158 in bonus, plus a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link. Helps the channel as well. And if you guys want, definitely join the Discord. Peace.